this tutorial we're going to discuss how to make our own motion paths. Motion tweens in Flash. So we're going to create a new Flash file, ActionScript 3.0. Let's make a ball. Any ball, doesn't matter. Let's put it at the center. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the corner right here. And what we're going to do is pretty much simply just make it, right click it and click create motion tween, and it's going to ask you if you want to convert it to a symbol. You're going to press OK, and if you look, it turns into a symbol, and at the timeline it says there's 24 frames in this keyframe, and the reason it's 24 instead of any other number is because there's 24 frames per second in our timeline. So that's why it's 24. It's 1 second long in the timeline. So the next thing we will do is that we're going to drag this to wherever we want it to be, and you're going to see that now we're going to get this line. And the reason these little dots are here is because each dot represents a frame in Flash. So the first dot represents the first frame in Flash, the second frame represents the second dot, and so on and so on. And this is pretty useful to use, and it doesn't take time like the frame animation. So if we were to play this movie, you see that line isn't there, but our ball is. That's where an onion's getting outlined by accident. Oops. Alright, now let's undo that. Let's say that in between, for some reason we want it to be in the corner. All you have to do is just click anywhere in between these two frames right here and just move it. And now you see it's going to go down there, then it's going to go down this way. For to play that, you see that happening. So that's pretty easy to use. Let's say that we wanted to make that animation we made last time with our ball ending up right here and then bouncing. What you would do is click somewhere in the center. We're going to move this down here, and then all we're going to do is that you see that we can curve this line easily, and we're just going to do that. And now you see we have this curve going on, and it's pretty simple to do that. Now if we were to look, you can also curve the other line so we can get a more better bounce. You can also click the line to move it, so then you can make it look like it's gonna bounce out. Another cool feature is that if you were to look, we have this thing called motion tween in the properties panel, and we can set the ease. And what this does is how fast we want it to go. Let's say that you wanted it to go fast in the beginning and then go slow in the end. What you would do is click ease out, drag it to 100, that's the maximum, and it would say ease out. And if we were to play this now, you see it's going fast, but then it's going to go slow. Let me move this a little over. You see it goes slow. If we were to do the opposite, go to negative 100, it would be slow in the beginning and then go fast. You see it here. And that's pretty much it for motion tweens. All you have to do is just create an object, right click it and create motion tween, and we can remove this tween by right clicking and just click remove tween, and then we have just a normal keyframe, and that's pretty much it.